Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check out or know the country of your PlayStation 5. So let's begin the video. Here I am at the games menu on my PlayStation 5. So first of all, if you are in the games menu then it's okay, but if you are in the media menu like here, then all you need to do is to go on the top left, select games, and you're going to be in the games menu. So now there is no direct way to know the country of your PlayStation 5, like in the settings you cannot see your country. However, there is a quick and turnaround way where you can know the country of your PS5. And the reason why you should know the country of your PS5 is that if you're going to buy gift cards so that you can redeem them or buy any games, you should know that whether it will work on your PS5 or not. So let's check out the country of the PS5. In order for that, go to the PlayStation Store, go to the upper side, and here on the right you're going to have these three dots. Just click on these three dots and click on payment methods. From here you're going to click on credit/debit card, and here we're going to click on use controller instead. So here we need to enter our credit card or debit card details. Now you don't have to worry because we are going to enter dummy data, as this is just for moving to the next page and we are not going to use this data at all. So you can type the dummy data that I am showing on the screen, and once you have entered this dummy data, click on continue, and here it's going to show you your address. But mainly if you go down, you can see it's going to show you your country or region. So in my case, my PlayStation 5 country is United States. So from this page you can tell the country on your PlayStation 5. And now if you want to buy gift cards or redeem codes, you know that which countries should you buy. And once you have seen your country, you can just take a picture of it using your phone, and after that we are just simply going to go back to the home screen, and you could see that we did not save any of our credit card information as it was dummy data. So yeah guys, in this way you can check the country of your PlayStation 5. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will also be making a video on how to buy cheap games for PlayStation 5. If you are interested, a box will appear right here. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.